Hi guys, there is Joe and Amelia. I'm behind here, the camera. I want to show you guys the progress here. Joe needs to empty this giant boat here. It's not so big, but it's like 25 foot long and it's deep of 6 foot of garbage in. Let's see. It's raining. You need the rake?
Huh?
The rake?
What rake?
You need a rake?
The rake's not gonna do anything. We don't even have a rake.
What? You didn't got nothing from home?
I got a shovel.
Now you're gonna shove it, right?
Yeah.
I hope it's not a dead animal there. This place is gonna look so nice and clean, guys. So nice and clean. I did not know they're so thin, the walls.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys. I don't know why the people don't want to have this to restore it. It's for free. That's like a gold mine, like a treasure from the ocean. Guys, Joe's Krabi right there. Getting there. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like, or leave some comments for the forest questions, because there is just field, and stay tuned to see how the project is gonna go. Thank you for watching. Guys, I'm so tired and cold, and it's rainy and it's gloomy outside, like you guys see. And I really have the wrong shoes, and I'm sinking in the mud here walking around. But anyways, that's the part of the project. Thank you guys. Bye. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, check out our website, Gossard Tree Farm. Thank you guys.